Hi, Phanessa here. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to crochet this Tunisian stitch. It is a checkered Tunisian stitch and it uses two colors. I'm just using worsted weight yarn here. This is Big Twist value yarn. They're at Joann stores. So I'm using a size K 10.5. This is a 6.5mm Tunisian hook. I'm making a sample, so you don't really need a long cable there. This pattern is in multiples of 2, and then you want to add 3 at the end. I'm going to start with this blue color. So I'm going to do 10 and then plus 3. That'll be 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Into the second chain from the hook. This is the first. That's the second right here. So first, second, you want to turn and go through the spine, like these little bumps. So you want to pick up 1 stitch from every chain stitch, starting with the second chain from your hook. Yarn over, pull up a loop into the next chain stitch, and then just repeat all the way across. So you're going to pick up the second color, make a loop, place it on your hook, and then pull through this very first loop. So it'll be like a chain 1. Okay, so the return pass, I like to hold the ends so it's easier to work with. So you're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat that until you get to this side. That's your foundation row. Now we're going to skip this first vertical bar. We're going to work a Tunisian simple stitch 2 together. So what that means is you're going to insert your hook through 2 of these vertical bars and then yarn over and pull up. Now we're going to work a Tunisian full stitch, and we're going right into this space between these 2. So right into the space, to the back, yarn over, and pull up. So you're going to repeat that until this last stitch here. The edge stitch is the edge or end stitch. So Tunisian 2 together, Tunisian simple stitch 2 together, and Tunisian full stitch right into the space. Okay, and last repeat right through the space. Okay, so you're going to work 1 Tunisian simple stitch in this last vertical bar, and then work your end stitch. Make sure you go through 2 loops. Okay, so you're going to change colors right before you work the return pass. So return pass, yarn over, pull up the loop, so that's chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat all the way back. Whoops. Okay, the next row. Okay, so we're going to work a Tunisian purl stitch. Instead of going in front of the working yarn to work your stitch, you're going to go behind it and then go through your vertical bar. I like to hold it here so it doesn't fall off, and then yarn over and pull through. So you're going to repeat Tunisian simple stitch, just working through the vertical bar, behind Tunisian purl stitch, and repeat. Simple stitch, purl stitch. You should end with a purl stitch before the edge stitch. Okay, edge stitch. Remember to go through 2 loops. And we're ready to change colors. Return pass with the other color. Chain 1. Yarn over, pull through 2, and repeat. Yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so now you're going to repeat that very first row where you worked Tunisian 2 together and then a Tunisian full stitch. And you just repeat those 2 rows until you're happy with the size. I've worked several rows on this one. Okay, so here is the sample. I didn't block this yet, so it's a little curly. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification button. You'll be notified every time I post a video.